Already got the weather text front and back. And what do we got? A power outlet in the back seat. Sunroof. Built-in trailer brakes, four-wheel drive. Let's see, we got cruise control, and then we got your onboard computer. Because you know it's like a long ways to reach clear over there, so that would be easier, right? Anyway, we got pedal adjust, traction control, AC/DC converter built in. And there's a his and a hers. And a couple more power ports. We've got an exhaust brake, parking assist, seat heaters. There's not much this truck don't have. And 2,900 miles. There's not really many flaws to show you if I could find one, but I hope you understand it's got 3,000 miles on it. Looks like a pod lift in the front to get it up sitting level, custom bumper. Got any questions, call Dave, 208-661-4676. Thank you.